Hello dear students. In this video we will do exercises of lesson 18 active and passive voice. Exercise A given in page number 113. Here we have to underline the verbs and tell whether the sentence is in active voice or passive voice. So we will underline verb. हम verb को underline करेंगे और active voice passive voice लिखेंगे. एक्टिव वॉइस के लिए मैंने ए वी लिखा है और पैसिव वॉइस के लिए मैंने पी वी लिखा है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द बॉय किक्ड अ बॉल. सो हियर द बॉय इज सब्जेक्ट, किक्ड इज वर्ब एंड बॉल इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन किक्ड and then write active voice. The sentence is in active voice because here subject performs the action. Subject action कर रहा है. बॉल किक करने का एक्शन कौन कर रहा है? सब्जेक्ट कर रहा है और वो कौन है? बॉय. तो इसीलिए ये सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है. नेक्स्ट इज शांतनु प्लेज बास्केटबॉल. सो शांतनु इज अ सब्जेक्ट, प्लेज वर्ब एंड बास्केटबॉल is object. So plays you have to underline verb, and here also Santanu performs the action. He is playing the basketball. Okay, so this sentence is in active voice. The flower was plucked by a child. Here the flower was plucked. Was plucked is verb. Okay, here was plucked is verb, and by is written, so the sentence is in passive voice. Here when subject receive the action, when subject receive the action, जब subject action receive करता है verb का तो वो passive voice में होता है. और passive voice को कैसे हम जानेंगे कि उस sentence में by लिखा रहता है. लेकिन ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा बाय लिखा रहे. कभी कभी बाय नहीं लिखा रहता तो भी सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में होता है. तो इसके लिए आपको अच्छे से समझना होगा, आपको अच्छे से सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को ध्यान देना होगा. आपको देखना होगा कि यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट एक्शन रिसीव कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. और एक जानने का तरीका है कि उसमें जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है, मेन वर्ब के पहले एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब जरूर लगा रहेगा और मेन वर्ब आपको थर्ड फॉर्म में दिखेगा. तो ऐसे भी आप पहचान सकते हैं. पहला आपको देखना है सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस में, दूसरा देखना है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मेन वर्ब, और फिर बाय, बी वाई बाय भी देख के आप पहचान सकते हैं कि सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है या पैसिव वॉइस में. तो हमारा ये सेंटेंस थर्ड नंबर पैसिव वॉइस में है. नेक्स्ट, वी वाटर दीज सीडलिंग्स एवरी मॉर्निंग. तो यहाँ पे वी सब्जेक्ट है और वाटर वर्ब है. हाँ, पानी दे रहे हैं, पानी देने का काम करते हैं एवरी मॉर्निंग. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस. जब सब्जेक्ट पहले होता है फिर वर्ब होता है तो वो एक्टिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस होता है. द डॉग चेज्ड द कैट. Here the dog is subject, chased is verb. तो chased को आप लोग अंडरलाइन करेंगे and write active voice. The field is plugged by a farmer. यहाँ पे देखिए is plugged is verb, is helping verb, plug main verb और by लिखा हुआ है. So this sentence is in passive voice. I posted the letter last evening. I subject, posted verb. ठीक है, तो ये सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है. द चाइल्ड वॉज लिफ्टेड बाय मी. वॉज लिफ्टेड हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस मेन वर्ब. सो और बाय भी लिखा है इसीलिए ये पैसिव वॉइस है. द गेट वॉज ओपनड बाय हिम. वॉज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, ओपन मेन वर्ब और बाय लिखा हुआ है तो ये सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में है. आई कुक्ड द मील. So cooked here is verb and sentence is in active voice. Next is the coffee was made by her. So here was made you have to underline and write passive voice. They knew the story. Knew verb and sentence is in active voice. 13 number, the role had been played by him. So had been played, and sentence is in passive voice. Underline had been played. 14 number, he has been teaching me. So has been teaching. Underline has been teaching, and write active voice. He will have cooked the food by noon. Will have cooked. Underline will have cooked, and it is in active voice. Next, exercise B. Here you have to tick the correct passive form for these sentences. Sentences are given, and one sentence is given, one active voice sentence is given, and in option 2 sentences are given for passive voice, and from that one is correct, which you have to tick. So first one is his mother praises Ram. So correct one is Ram is praised by his mother. Next question is Emily Bronte wrote Wuthering Heights. Correct answer is Wuthering Heights was written by Emily Bronte. Third number, she has done her work. So correct passive voice is her work has been done by her. Fourth number, the noise has frightened the horse. Correct passive voice is the horse has been frightened by the noise. Fifth number, the fire has caused extensive damage. Correct passive voice is extensive damage has been caused by the fire. Sixth number, Karan is going to prepare the refreshments. Correct answer is the refreshments are going to be prepared by Karan. 7 number, the strong wind uprooted several trees in our area. So for that, correct passive voice is several trees in our area were uprooted by the strong wind. 8 number, everyone will blame us. This is a question. Active voice, and the correct passive voice is we will be blamed by everyone. In exercise C, we have to change the voice of given sentences. First sentence, Rima ordered a cup of coffee. So answer is a cup of coffee was ordered by Rima. Second, Gora lent me 10 rupees. Answer, 10 rupees was lent to me by Gora. Third, I painted the house. Answer, the house was painted by me. Fourth, the teacher drew a diagram. Answer, a diagram was drawn by the teacher. Fifth, the university has praised her work. Answer, her work has been praised by the university. 6. She was cooking dinner. Answer, dinner was being cooked by her. 7. They elected Mr. Khan as president. Answer, Mr. Khan was elected as president by them. 8 number, he is observing us closely. Answer, we are being observed closely by him. 9 number, he completed the assignment. The assignment was completed by him. Number 10 we will not do because of printing mistake in book. Thank you.